How to enlarge Outlook font, or how you can increase your Outlook email fonts. I will show you the two methods that you can increase the font, change the font size in Outlook. So let's start with the video, guys. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. So there is a server method, so I will show you the one by one. So first method, so when you open any mail and if you think this is size is small, then you can go to the zoom and you can change the percentage here, so it will be zoom like this. Okay, this is the normal way to you can change the size. You can also change the your window size like this, preview size like this from here. Okay, now I will show you the how you can change the commands font size. Go to the view, go to the change setting, go to the manage view, and come to the modify and click on other settings. Under setting, you can see there is a column, heading, and row of fonts. You can change any fonts. You can change the increase the size, grid line style. You can change the font preview message and increase the size. You can change the font and font style. Select and click OK if you want to change. Okay, reading pen you can change, other option you can change. Okay, after that just click OK, then OK. This is for command or view size, but if you want to change your new email writing size, so you can change. If you go to the new email and when you type the any email here, so this is your font size. Okay, so you can increase your font size, just select it, you can change from here. Okay, this is for manually. If you want to change, you can change font style also and send the mail. And for if you want to send, select the default setting for font, just click on file, go to the option, under the option go to the mail. Under the mail you can see the use dictionary to the change default font style, color, and background. Click on it, and here you can see the email personal stationery. You can change themes. This is theme stationery for new HTML email message. This is HTML email message. You can change themes and font. This is for new message. You can change font, you can change size, you can enlarge or increase the size, you can change the font style, you can change the fonts. Okay, so I select, after select size just click on OK. You can set as a default if you want. For replying a new forwarding mail, you can change font, you can increase the size if you want. This is a preview. Okay, you can change the check the preview, click OK. And for the mark my command with pick new color, when you reply the forward, you can change the color for new reply. And composing the reading the plain text message. Okay, for the composing and reading plain text message, you can change the size and font. After done all, just click on OK and then OK, so it will be applied. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.